All right, here is the 1977 CJ-5. This may be one of the nicest restorations we've ever had. It's got 1,900 miles on the full nut and bolt restoration. We do have the full build sheet, not only in our comments on YouTube, but on our full website. Over $100,000 build sheet. You got a crate 350 motor in there. You got them custom painted rims. Restoration is almost 1 year old, but it looks like it was done yesterday. Jeep does also have an electronic parking brake. You got full Bluetooth in there as well. You got speakers all around. You got one right here in the center console. Another one here within the back seat. And the underneath is probably the craziest part. Like I said, one of the cleanest builds we've ever seen.